Hey,
Hmm?
what are you doing?
I'm brushing my hair.
Let me see how you brush your hair. Alright. How about the other side? You're so pretty.
Thank you, Mom.
And what else? You're so pretty, Riley. They're gonna say,
Glory to God.
you're so pretty. What are you gonna say?
Glory to God.
Look at me. You're so pretty, baby. Oh, you forgot na?
Glory to God.
Your hair is so smooth na. Right?
It's not even...
It's not tangled.
Not tangled.
Yeah.
If I do this, it's tangled. If I do this, it's not. I told you.
Okay, brush your hair. Are you ready to sleep? Are you ready to sleep na?
Not yet.
Why?
Because I'm brushing my hair.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Love you.
Love you.